Unraveling the mystery of water hose. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often sprouts up in everyday conversation: water hose. Whether you're at home, in a garden, or talking about cleaning and maintenance, understanding what a water hose is and how to use the term correctly can be quite handy. So, let's get into the flow and learn together. A water hose is a flexible tube used to carry water from one location to another. Hoses are commonly made of rubber or plastic and come in various lengths and diameters to suit different needs. They are essential tools in gardening, cleaning vehicles, or any job where you need to move water efficiently. Typically, a water hose is connected to a tap or spigot on one end, while the other end can be fitted with different nozzles or sprayers to control the flow and pattern of the water. It's a simple yet versatile invention that has become indispensable in many tasks. Water hoses aren't just for conveying water. They serve multiple purposes and can be found in many settings. Here are a few common uses. Gardening, keeping plants and lawns hydrated. Cleaning, washing cars, outdoor furniture, or siding on a house. Maintenance, filling pools, fountains, or ponds. Firefighting, delivering water to extinguish fires. Understanding these uses can help learners increase their vocabulary and practical knowledge about everyday objects and their functions. To grasp the practical usage of water hose, let's look at some sentences. Please roll up the water hose after you finish watering the garden. The firefighters unraveled a long water hose to combat the blaze. Can you turn off the tap that's connected to the water hose? I think it's leaking. By using water hose in different sentences, you can see how versatile the phrase is and understand the context in which it can be used. There you have it. A splash of information on what water hose means and its different uses. I hope this video helps clear up any confusion and adds a new phrase to your English toolkit. Remember, learning a language is like watering a garden. It grows with time and care. Keep practicing, and you'll see how rewarding it is to learn new terms and use them confidently. Until next time, keep the learning flowing.